Hey, it's Annie, and welcome back to my channel. I look like a Kristen Wiig character, don't I? In today's video, I'm going to do a really easy, fresh look for summer. So I kind of shared a really quick version of this recently because I shared it on, I don't know how recently, I don't know when this video is going to go out, but I did do one and I did like a in 60 seconds, but I want to go over it, break it down a little bit. It's still going to be fast. And I'm going to do an eye look too for you, like really quick and easy look for you guys. This is a look that I'm probably going to be wearing a lot of this summer. This is a really fresh look. No foundation is happening on my face. If you don't have, like I feel like I have pretty good skin. It's not perfect, but it's pretty good. So here I am, no makeup on. If you feel like your skin isn't perfect, embrace it. So I'm going to say, just embrace it. Don't worry about it. But if you're uncomfortable with it, then this look may not be for you. But this is for anybody that's like, I want to look pulled together. I want to look fresh and awake and all that. But I don't want to wear a lot of makeup. This is it. Because I'm not really using, there's not much makeup that's going to be worn at all in this video. It's mostly sunscreen. First thing I want to do is I need to do this because I have that redness on my eyes that I always have, you know, discoloration. And then I also like to put an eyeshadow primer, and wearing Trish McEvoy, and I can't remember which color I have, either sand or beer. I think it's sand. I said in a video not too long ago, I said my eyelids are so dry, and somebody said, oh, I bet it's allergies. You were right. It was just my allergies. That's what it was. Crazy, because it is gone now. I'm going to go in and I'm going to put my concealer on because I still need concealer, but I'm not going to spot this all over, okay? I'm just going to use this under my eyes. That's all I'm going to do. Apply it under my eyes, and this is my Holy Grail Sicily concealer. Love it. I don't use this little wand. I don't know. I see people do. Let me see. I'm always afraid to pull my eyes. I was just watching a live video with Kate Somerville, and she was applying something and she was like really tugging. I was like, oh my God, I thought you weren't supposed to do that. Now I'm confused. Are we not, is it okay to, I don't know. She knows what she's doing. She's an esthetician. Skincare. And she was like, whoo. So I'm like, I don't know, maybe I'm just being too paranoid because everybody's always like, oh, you're not supposed to pull. But then I see people doing it. I'm going to be very gentle here and try to do it this way. I never do. But now I've seen her, I think, oh, maybe it's okay to apply stuff that way. Let me get just a tiny bit more. I'm applying it totally different than I normally do, so no judgment. I just want to see how this works. I usually don't do this. Funny thing happened to me last week. I dropped my Charlotte Tilbury powder, but I'm going to get out as much as I can still. I just ordered another one, and hopefully it will be here soon. I love this, okay? And by the way, I already have sunscreen on my face. Sunscreen is my base, okay? It's a lightly tinted from Color Science, and when I say lightly tinted, once you rub it in, it doesn't look like you're having anything, or wearing anything, so. But this is from Color Science. I've shared this before. This is their mineral color corrector. And on the back too, it says what each one will do, what each color will correct. I think I'm holding it upside down. There we go. And this has an SPF of 20. So, and please, no judgment on nails. I know I need to do my nails. I've been really bad about that lately. It's kind of, doing nails is high maintenance for me, and I just haven't done it, and today's cleaning day. So anyways, so each color of this, each one of these colors will color correct something. So if you have brown spots, if you have redness, purple, whatever, each one is marked back here so you know which one to use. So I know which one I need to use. And I have a little redness by my nose here on the side, and I'm going to go in here and I'm going to use that. So the nice thing about this too is you can take it with you. I just put on the areas that have redness, and it's going to color correct that. So it's not going to look like I have redness on the side of my nose. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use this. So there's 3 of these sticks. There's a bronze, this one's called bronze. I'm going to swatch them all. Bronze, berry, and this one is called blush. They're all sunscreens, okay? Each one of them sunscreen, it's tinted. So, and it's a balm. Color, they're all from Color Science, and as this one was from Color Science. And it's a unforgettable total protection color balm in SPF of 50. Chemical free, 100% mineral, water and sweat resistant for 40 minutes. So what I love about this, and I shared this in the video, is that you can, you can wear these and you have to apply your sunscreen, okay? So what you can do is you can bring your sunscreen with you. The Color Science one is pretty small. I should have brought it in here, but it's a small one. So you can reapply that, and then you can reapply these. You could just use your fingers. I'm going to use brushes today, but you can use your fingers if you had to, just to reapply it. And you have a nice fresh look if you're going to the beach or you're on vacation, you don't want to wear a lot of makeup. You're going to love that stuff, okay? So here's what the bronzer looks like. It's metallic, but don't let it scare you. I promise you it's not. It looks nice on. I was surprised. It looks really nice on. And then we have this one that is called Berry, which is so pretty. And I believe you can use these on your lips as well. I don't know if I'll do that today. This one, I haven't tried yet. I wonder if I should wear this one today. Maybe I'll wear this one today. I usually wear that one. I think I'll wear that one today. Because I think in the video I wore this one. But you can see what they all look like. Really, really pretty. I'm going to go in with my bronzer first. I'm going to put it right there. I know it seems like a lot. It's okay. Sometimes it can be tricky when you're working under lights. Trying to blend it because you get different shadows. I don't know why I was looking at my height. But you can get different shadows. But look at how that just brightened on my face. And I don't have any foundation on. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. So now I'm going to go in, I'm going to use this color blush. It's not oily on me either. I have oily skin and it stays on me really nice and it doesn't make me look like a grease ball or anything. I just love this stuff. Look how pretty that is, you guys. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my God, I love it. Look how pretty that is. It just brightens up my face. If you feel like you get really shiny, I do have a little bit of shine on me. I'm going to kick that down. I'm going to use this. This is I love this powder. If you have oily skin, I think you'll really love this one. I feel like it really helps to control my oil. I like to have some shine on me, but I don't want to have too much, you know what I'm saying? And this is just translucent color too. I don't like to use any tinted powders. The thing about tinted powders is it can change the look of your makeup. I mean, I know that Charlotte Tilbury has, this is slightly tinted, but it's so light. I try to get the lightest color all the time with powders because I don't want, people ask me all the time, like, what color do you? I usually like to get the lightest one, like translucent or the lightest color because I don't want it to alter the look of my makeup. I'm going to go ahead and do my brows really quick because you always have to do your brows. I'm going to go ahead and do my eyeshadow. I'm going to go in and I'm going to use my Charlotte Tilbury cream shadows. I'm going to have to put it below the names because they changed the name. So if I tell you the name of this, you're not going to be able to find it. I wish I would have changed the names, but I know that they changed them, so I will leave it below for you guys. So it's just this darker brown color. I'm just going to stick my number 12 brush from Rephr. And I'm going to go ahead and draw like a little bit of a line there. And I'm going to draw it up here. Oh my gosh, I love these shadows. They're really, really easy to work with. Don't worry, we're going to blend that in. I want to keep most of it right here on the outside corner here. I need to get my mirror. And I'm going to take a fluffy brush and I'm going to lightly start to buff that in. Oh my God, isn't that color beautiful? I love the color. You could just do this shadow and just go, you know? You could just do one shadow and go, but I'm going to do one more. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use this lighter shadow. Look how pretty that is. Look how pretty that is. Oh my gosh, I love it. I'm using the number 28 brush from Rougher too. Sometimes I don't always tell you guys what brushes I'm using. I guess I need to start doing that more. A lot of you guys had questions about it. I think they may be out of stock. They're a small company. They're not a really big company, okay? They're an independent small company, and they have a really good reputation with their brushes. So when I announce that they have new brushes, you guys gotta jump on it because they go so fast. I mean, if you're interested in brushes, you guys know I don't push for you to get anything, but I'm just saying if you're interested in getting them, then when I announce it, you gotta jump on it. I want to use sunscreen. If I'm going to be at the beach all day, I want to use sunscreen. So I'm going to go in with the Color Science SPF 35 gloss. And by the way, I paid for all this myself. This is not sponsored. I paid for all this myself. This was gifted to me though from Laura Mercier. This is the color Macron. I love this color. So pretty. I am going to zoom you guys in so you can see what I look like. And what my skin looks like. No foundation. How pretty is that, right? I love this look because it just looks fresh. So I love this look because I just feel like it's fresh looking. Do you know what I mean? Look how fresh and natural it looks. Even though I have makeup on, it's just really soft and fresh and wonderful. So I'm going to be doing this a lot this summer. I still love to wear foundations. Foundations are nice, but I honestly, I'm going to still test different foundations for you guys because I know some of you guys don't feel comfortable without wearing a foundation, but I'm telling you, if you really stick with your skincare and really work at it, you'll get here. Because my skin was not like this several years ago. There's no way I would ever not wear a foundation, but I feel so confident. I feel like I don't really have to wear foundation anymore. My skin looks nice. It really does. It looks amazing without it, but I don't have a lot of sun damage on my face. But I've really, really worked at it too over the last. So I really started working on my late 40s, and I'm going to be 55 this year. But I just feel like the less we wear, especially as mature women, I think the more youthful we look. I think it looks much fresher. The more makeup that you pile on your face, the more it ages you. And I just love this idea because you should be reapplying your sunscreen. So if I'm out, I can just reapply my sunscreen. Even with the powder, I think it'll be okay, by the way, because I've done this already. I probably wouldn't reapply it with, like, I probably wouldn't put more powder on if I was out. So it would just be underneath, you know? So I would just go ahead and just reapply my sunscreen, and then I can just use these. I can just use my fingers if I want. If you wanted, you could bring a couple brushes and pack it in your bag, or just use your fingers, especially if you're at the beach, who really cares, you know, or whatever. I can't say enough good things about this, and you guys know because I've been touting about this for several years. I love that, and the gloss is fabulous too because it's got sunscreen in it, and you should be protecting your lips too. They do have other colors, but I did really like this one, but I probably should get other colors. I don't know if this goes exactly with what I'm wearing. I guess it goes okay, right? So that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Share it. Really, really appreciate sharing. If you want to help support me on this channel, sharing my videos is like one of the best things you can do. I appreciate you guys using my links too, because the money that I make from my channel, I put back in to purchase more products to share with you guys. So I really appreciate that. Always leave me comments. Always give thumbs up too if you're enjoying my videos, and hope that you are. All that helps my channel grow, and I really, really appreciate it. You can follow me on all the socials, and I will catch you guys all in my next video. Bye. I'm gonna do with it. We're not gonna focus on me now. I swear. Oh, that's nice. So how about if I just leave it like that? Okay. Goddamn here, yeah, huge one. Oh, lovely, lovely. We're gonna do a special little tutorial today, okay? Everybody, are you all happy for it? That's what I feel like. What the are we doing? Okay.